In his September 22nd address to the 77th session of the United Nations General Assembly at the UN headquarters in New York City, Israel's Prime Minister, Yair Lapid, alluded to a future Palestinian state existing next to Israel based upon a condition of peace. He stated, "The best path forward is an agreement with the Palestinians based on two states for two peoples." He went on to say that a two-state solution, quote, "is the right thing for Israel's security, for Israel's economy, and for the future of our children." This is the first time since 2016 that an Israeli leader has spoken of a two-state solution while addressing the UN General Assembly. Lapid also called on other Muslim and Arab countries to normalize ties with Israel, stating, "Israel seeks peace with our neighbors. We call upon every Muslim country from Saudi Arabia to Indonesia to recognize that, to come talk to us. Our hand is outstretched for peace." In response, President Biden tweeted out, "I welcome Lapid's courageous statement at the UN General Assembly. An agreement with the Palestinians based on two states for two peoples is the right thing for Israel's security, for Israel's economy, and for the future of our children." Then he concluded by saying, "I could not agree more." It was just over 2 months ago that Biden and Lapid signed the Jerusalem Strategic Partnership Joint Declaration that touches on Iran, the Israeli-Palestinian conflict, Ukraine, Washington's security assistance to Israel, normalization agreements, and anti-Semitism. Some speculate that Lapid's remarks pertaining to a two-state solution are a result of him caving to political pressure from the Biden administration. In the 3rd chapter of Joel, Yahweh states that I will gather the armies of the world into the valley of Jehoshaphat. There I will judge them for harming my people, my special possession, for scattering my people among the nations, and for dividing up my land. Surely these words hang like an axe from heaven, for according to the prophet Joel, any agreement to divide the land of Israel will not bring peace. It is an action that is condemned by God, with the promise that He will bring judgment upon the nations.